Hi friends, welcome to DM classes.
Good morning to all. As of now, we have gone through solving simultaneous equation by different methods. Today we will start with determinant. If A, B, C, D are any four number, then determinant A, B, C, D is called as a determinant of order 2, whose value is given by determinant A, B, C, D equal to A into D means AD minus B into C means BC equal to AD minus BC. Order of this determinant is 2 and the 2 rows and 2 columns. The 2 rows are A, B and C, D, and the 2 columns. 2 columns are A, C and B, D. Generally, determinants are represented by capital letters A, B, C, D, etc. For example, find the value of determinant A equal to 2, 3, 5, 2. Solution A equal to determinant 2, 3, 5, 2 equal to 2 into 2 minus 3 into 5, 2 into 2, 4 minus 3 into 5, 15 equal to 4 minus 15 equal to minus 11. Therefore, A equal to minus 11. Now, determinant method. Cramer's rule. For obtaining solution of simultaneous equation by using determinants is known as Cramer's rule. Steps. Steps to solve simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. Step first. Write the given equation in the form ax plus by equal to c. Step second. Find d by using d equal to determinant a1, b1, a2, b2 equal to a1 into b2 minus b1 into a2 is not equal to 0. Third step, step 3, find dx by using dx equal to c1, b1, c2, b2 equal to c1, b2 minus b1, c2. c1 into b2 minus b1 into c2. Fourth step, step 4, find dy by using dy equal to a1, c1, a2, c2 equal to a1 into c2 minus c1 into a2. Fifth step, step 5, find value of x and y. Find value of x and y by Cramer's rule. X equal to dx divided by d and y equal to dy divided by d. Now I will take an example of Cramer's rule. Example: solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. Solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. 2x minus 3y equal to 14 and 5x plus 2y equal to 16. Solution: the given simultaneous equations are 2x minus 3y equal to 14 and 5x plus 2y equal to 16. Equation first and equation second. Comparing the given equation with the given equations with a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. We get a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to minus 3 and c1 equal to 14. a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to minus 3 and c1 equal to 14. Same, a2 equal to 5, b2 equal to 2 and c2 equal to 16. Therefore, D equal to A1, B1, A2, B2. A1 equal to 2, B1 equal to minus 3, A2 equal to 5 and B2 equal to 2. Now 2 into 2 minus 3 into 5. Therefore 2 into 2 4 minus plus 3 5s are 15 equal to 4 plus 15 equal to 19 is not equal to 0. Dx equal to C1 equal to C1 B1 C2 B2 equal to C1 equal to 14, B1 equal to minus 3, C2 equal to 16 and B2 equal to 2 equal to 14 into 2 minus 3 into 16 equal to 14 to the 28 minus plus 3 into 16 equal to 48 equal to 28 plus 48 equal to 76. Dy equal to A1 C1 A2 C2 A1 equal to 2 C1 equal to 14 A2 equal to 5 and C2 equal to 16 equal to 2 into 16 minus 14 into 5 16 to the 32 minus 14 5 the 70. 32 minus 70 equal to minus 38. Therefore, by Cramer's rule, we get x equal to dx divided by d equal to dx equal to 76 divided by d is equal to 19 and y equal to 19 fours are 76. Y equal to dy divided by d equal to dy equal to minus 38 divided by d equal to 19. 19 twos are 38. Therefore, x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 2. Therefore, x comma y equal to 4 comma minus 2 is the solution of the given simultaneous equation.
Thank you. If you like the video, please press the bell icon